It's that time again. ACE, the Annual Calibration Exchange, brought to you by Beamex. And we've heard you, so we're coming back. Back to NASA in Houston. This event features interactive hands-on learning, industry experts where you get to drive the content based on our Q&A sessions. We'll cover the latest trends in calibration, including digitalization. And that doesn't just mean going paperless. There's an entirely different dimension to this that we want to share with you. So whether you're a small instrument shop or you have sites around the world, this event will meet you where you are. Join us.